Move over, James Bond. Here comes the makeup idiot. Hi, it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So if you're new to my channel, I usually do beauty subscription unboxings and try-ons. I try on everything on my channel, and occasionally I kind of sprinkle in some makeup palettes here and there. So if you're interested in viewing more, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell, because I try and put out new videos every week, but I don't know what my schedule is, so if you don't have your notification on, you're not going to know what my schedule is either. And if you like this video at any point, hit that like button, because I love likes, not dislikes, just likes. I'm feeling super cute right now, if you can't tell. We're going to be opening up Glossybox. Glossybox is a monthly subscription, runs $21 a month, and you can either sign up as a monthly plan, either for 3 months or 6 months or 12 months. I usually save a little bit extra. And they usually include 5 deluxe and full-sized items. Glossybox is my classiest beauty subscription that I get. The box is perfectly put together. It's really one of my favorites for packaging. And they've actually been getting a lot better with products as well that they have included. So kudos to Glossybox for stepping up their game. And this month, they actually have 6 products. They included a mystery item, so I'm super excited to see what that could possibly be. So if you're interested, let's just go back in time and see what's in this box. It comes in this nice little black box. I'll actually put a link down below if you're interested at all in subscribing to the box. Plus, I'll also put timestamps if you want to skip ahead and just see what's included. This is what the box looks like. It is a box inside a box. First thing they included were $100 wine vouchers for Naked Wines. I actually got 2 vouchers. I never use these. They always include them, which, you know, maybe one of these days I'll actually use one. And they also have a $50 gift card to signing up for HelloFresh. So that's nice to have like extra coupons sprinkled in there. This is the front. The theme this month is Unwrap Your Mystery Glossies. And it's a little bit of a teaser for what's coming with the advent calendar. This month is full of show-stopping surprises our experts have seen on and off the runway. From the backstage prep to the daily auditions, we've discovered coveted secrets of models to bring you at the start of fashion season. We can't wait to see you strut your stuff with your bold eyeliner. Oh, wait. Not gonna go any further. Don't want to spoil the surprise. And at the back, it has their social media information. And when you open it up, it has a full list of everything included, brief description of how you can use it, a little bit of an extra tip, and prices. First thing you see, like I said, this is always the classiest package subscription I have, and this is what the box looks like. First thing that we have in the box, but they have a combination of Grow Gorgeous, and it's a conditioner and shampoo. Rescue and Repair shampoo and conditioner. Full size of these is $18 a piece. I actually don't usually use hair care products included in my subscription boxes, so I'm gonna put this to the side. And it's like really cute packaging. Look at that. I might actually be tempted to use this. It's for damaged hair. Rescue and Repair. There's a seal on it. I think it's gonna be really well scented though. But I am gonna leave the seal on. Like I said, I usually don't use the hair care products. This one is the first one that's actually tempted me, but I'm gonna stay strong and stick with my normal routine. I'm gonna have to do a hair care giveaway and get rid of all this hair care stuff that I've been accumulating. Let me know in the comments if anyone's interested in doing that. I know I'm a beauty channel, but I get a lot of hair care. I guess hair does fall under beauty, but I don't mess around with that stuff. Avant Pro Collagen, I can't pronounce all these words. Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. Definitely like primers. And it says, get that extra perk up before your next makeup application with this lovely primer from Avant. With natural ingredients, ooh, this is PETA approved. Primer will stimulate your collagen like a fresh dermatologist visit. And there is a seal on it. Glossybox has been getting a lot better. I'm not even really mad about the shampoo and conditioner because it looks like pretty good shampoo and conditioner. And usually I'm pretty mad. This really doesn't have a scent to it, but let's see how it looks. And this is the featured size. It says it's $103. Okay. I don't think I have any primer that's $103. This better be like the most amazing primer I've ever put on my face. $103 for a primer? Oh my god. Like even scared to use a little bit. Well, it feels like a regular cream on my face. $103? Jesus. I'm not a cheapskate, but damn. This is probably the most expensive primer I've ever used. And look at the bottle. This is not that big. This is my face. That's the bottle. Like, I know my face is big, but this is small. 30 milliliters. It goes on really smooth. I think that the true test would be, oh wow, my skin feels really silky. So it is a really good primer, but still though, $103. Damn, that's intense. You know what I could buy for $103? For $103, it better perk up everything. Like, I need to be looking like I'm 10. I looked online, and I'm guessing maybe this is a new product because they don't have any reviews on their website. The Poshmark fairies have struck already, so these are going for like $12 to $40. So if you do want to try it out, Poshmark does have options. But so far, my skin feels really good, and I'm hoping it does do better than any other primer I've ever tried. I have my eye makeup all done, and if you're curious as to what palette this is, I'll put that right up here. I feel like maybe I should have done the primer after, but you know, I forget sometimes. The Ico Fat Liquid Liner, which is a little intimidating, I gotta say. I've actually gotten the regular Ico, which I love. I've also gotten the skinny Ico, which is okay. I'm still working on the regular, and this is the first time I've actually gotten a fat. This is actually the full size, and this is $22. Whoa, look at that. It looks like a freaking felted pen. It's pretty freaking thick. Ooh, and let me compare it to the regular Ico. That's the top one is the regular size, and the bottom one is the fat. So it's definitely when you want to make a statement. London's Calling and their cruelty-free eye makeup brand is here to keep your cat eyes smudge-proof, budge-proof, and utterly foolproof for any catwalk. Say hello and hello to long-lasting lines. Now pose. I'm going to try and put this on, and I'm going to try and make it as thick as possible. Let me actually zoom in so you guys can see me attempt this magic trick. This is a bad idea. I'm not going to be able to see it. And it is definitely a thick lady. I actually really like this. This just seems to go on really smoothly. At least a lot smoother than everything else I use. And the only reason I'm going like super careful is because I'm using the monitor as a mirror. So my line is not as straight as I would personally like it to be, but it definitely got the job done. Freaking hooded eyes, just messing with me. This is probably the thickest wing I've ever done, and I'm doing such a bad job at it. Alright, I'm gonna do the other eye, and I shall be right back. I did a horrible job on this eye. I did a little bit better on this one. I really do like this liner though. I feel like it definitely covers a lot more surface area, so you're moving a lot faster. And if you want to go thick, this is your bad boy. This is what you need. I have hooded eyes, so if a liner doesn't dry quick enough or a mascara doesn't dry quick enough, it's basically just going to transfer up. And this just like, as soon as you put it on, it dries. So that is super cool. Alright, I need lashes to cover up this mess up. Because these one and these one do not look like the same thing at all. I have my eye makeup all done. I have my foundation on. I do see a little more blurring of an effect than I usually, because I have pores that are like crater size. They look a little bit more blurred than usual. The true test would be like if I was outside on like a 90-degree day and see if my makeup stays in place or my foundation stays in place. Sadly or unsadly, those heat waves are way past us, and it's actually right now in the evening at like 4 o'clock. So I only have a few hours to test it and see how it goes. But so far, I'm really, really happy with how it's looking. So feeling flawless, flawless. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Flawless. No, I'm just kidding. Contour Cosmetics. That's like a, what is that, mauve? Mauve color. It's a matte liquid lipstick in the style Juju. It's basically like magic. This is gonna be interesting if it's actually magical. Sadly, I wish I had pulled this out first before I did my eye makeup, because I really like it and I don't know how well this is gonna match up. But notwithstanding, let's keep going. I've never actually tried the Contour Cosmetics liquid lip before. This is my first time trying out their products, and this runs $29, so it's not a cheapie. So this better be like amazing. Ooh, wow, that's really pink. I think I'm gonna have to call in my trusty lip liner, because I don't think this bad boy wants to play games with me. The lip liner is on, and let's see how this color works. Is it me, or it's not that pigmented? I can definitely see it, but it's not as striking as I thought it would be. Maybe that's the mauve? I don't know how you pronounce that. The color Juju. Oh, well, it's doing some magic. I really actually like this with the pink lips. This isn't something that I would typically go for, but it's so subtle. I'm feeling very 50s, very 60s with the huge wing right now. I'm liking it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Yes, yes, yes. When you want luscious lips in a flash, this liquid lipstick is your secret weapon. Oh, are you trying to say I'm a secret agent right now? Move over, James Bond. Here comes the Makeup Idiot. With its intense pigmentation. See, I didn't get intense. I actually got less intense. And even application. The application is really even. It's not streaky at all. You'll have the puckered pout you've always wanted every time. Is this a pout? I look like an idiot. I look like a dumbass. But I am very, very pleased. $29 still is, I mean, it looks nice. I personally don't think it's that pigmented. Maybe on someone with fairer skin, it would be a lot better. I like it, don't get me wrong. But on my skin tone, it's not that pigmented. I'm not mad, because this actually works really well. I'm a fan of the shade Juju. Mystery item. Surprise! This item is a complete mystery until unboxing. Here, you will receive 1 out of 7 items randomized for an extra wow. Wow. Not all models reveal their beauty secrets, so whether it's for your eyes, lips, body, or atmosphere, we hope you like the treat that you didn't expect. Sometimes the best gift is the one you didn't expect. True. Toka. I think this might be a candle. It says Candelina. I don't know what the hell Candelina stands for. Toka Montauk Salt Air Cucumber. Candelina. Oh, yes. I can smell the cucumber. It's very light fragrance. It does definitely smell like cucumber. Sea air. I'm a fan. It smells really good. Retreat to where the sound meets the sea. Fresh salt air and seagrass, abound in this natural and unspoiled haven. Individually hand poured. Well, thank you. So that is the free gift that I got. I'm sure it's gonna smell lovely. They didn't actually put a price on it, but I'll do some research when I'm editing and I'll put a price right here. And that's it. That was everything in my Glossybox. Have a good night. Bye.